Alright, now that she is dipped this paper, cardboard paper, into her water dish, which is over there, and she's down here, she's looking to fetch. Oh, get her, Jerry. Go get it. Go get that carrot. Bring it back. Come on. Bring it back. Oh, that's a good carrot. Hey, did you do some fetching? Where'd you put it? Right, there we go. And she did bring back this gross water wet paper. Alright, let's see if I can get this camera better. Alright, Spitwood. Kit. Alright, Spitwood. Kit. Get her. Get it. Hey. I'm gonna throw it that way. Get it. Bring it back. Let's see if she brings it back. Oh, she brought it back. Spitwood. Cat. Cat and Spitwood. See if I can get an arc of my throat. Better go get it. Can I open them now? Get that killer. Come on. Bring that back. Oh, that's a good chatty, huh? Alright. Spitwood. Killer. Get it. See if I throw it this way. Get it. Alright, she tore up that way. Come on. Oh, now she's dipping in her water again. Look how weird that is. Yeah. She's out there in her water dish. Let's dip it. Come on. Come on. Bring it back. Yeah. Okay, well. At least you did it. A couple times. Come on, are you bringing it back? Oh, and she did look new. Oh, look new, even more wet piece of gross paper. Isn't that awesome? Look how excited she is. Get it! Oh, look at her jaunty walk going over to get it. Come on, bring it back. Bring it back. That's a good catty. Alright, that is a brief video of what you can do with Spitwood. You can't really see it there, but a fun cat. And I don't know what you can see there, because I can't see myself. So you put the three of those together. Spitwood cat, me, and that's what you get. Alright, I'm going to throw it again, and then I'm going to log off. Go get it. Come on. Good girl. Peace.